Welcome to cryptocurrency mining and trading. Subscribe please to this channel. Make sure you hit bell button and like the video. In case you have any question, please ask on the comment section. Today we are going to cover the title Pi Network News: Insider Selling Raises Red Flag as Pi Coin Withdrawal Surge Sparks Volatility. But before then, let's check on some price actions today. Market cap stands at 4.6 billion. Price is at 62 cents, which is downward trend with 1.023%. Price supply is 11.42 billion, and exchanges got 345 million. Now, let's go back to the post. And here is my Pi. You can see I'm a pioneer. I have managed to mine this 723 this year. I have few followers, and I am also a validator. And show you my validation dashboard. Let it open. And please, I would like to urge you to join using my code, which is Dickmas, as I have put it on some comments and descriptions of the videos. And I will also put it as a pinned comment on the description and comment section of this video. On this account, I have managed to validate 2,298 successful, and my accuracy is at 94% so far. And you can see Pi earned. I'm told it is coming soon. Don't know when is this soon. And when you check on Pi blog, we have no new post concerning anything. This was the latest, June 5th. Today is June 12th, and you can see the wall is very silent. I made a video on this safety reminder, so we are not dwelling on that. I was just showing you when Pi lastly updated pioneers on their wall. So right now, let me change this to my Pi, because we are tackling Pi post. Let's continue reading this. Pi Network News: Insider Selling Raises Red Flag as Pi Coin Withdrawal Surge Sparks Volatility. You can read the image and interpret for yourself. The guy is doing some technical analysis here, and we won't judge him. Let us go through the post. The Pi network has once again grabbed headlines across the crypto landscape, this time due to sudden and massive outflow of over 102.7 million Pi tokens from the OKX exchange within just 3 days. The event, which unfolded in mid-May 2025, comes amid heightened trading activity and brewing concerns over insider token sale, which some view the large-scale withdrawal as a sign of growing real-world adoption. Others are sounding the alarm over transparency and centralization within the Pi network ecosystem. Currently, the Picoin price hovers near 0.79, down over 3% from recent highs and nearly 72 below its all-time peak of 299 reached earlier this year. Despite a 30% monthly gain, analysts say the sharp pullback and large token movements hint at underlying instability. Large movement spark speculations. So, on this, the price has changed. This is not the current price. You can correct that on your mind, but you all know that the prices are very volatile. The previous minutes price is not the current and will not be the coming minutes price. So, subscribe please. Let's continue. Subscribe to the channel. Large movement sparks speculations. Blockchain data confirms that more than 102 million Pi tokens were moved from OKX, raising eyebrows across the crypto community. These transfers, some as large as 70 million Pi per transaction, are now live and verifiable on-chain. Notably, this level on-chain activity has never been seen before for Pi Network Coin, prompting speculations that the project could be entering a more mature phase of its life cycle. Mr. Spockbar posted this: 102 million Pi withdrawn from OKX, the awakening has begun. The time we've been waiting for is no longer ahead of us. It's happening right now. In just the past 3 days, a staggering 102.77 million Pi has been withdrawn from OKX, one of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges. Let that number sink in. Over 102 million Pi coins, worth potentially tens of millions of dollars, on-chain, real, verified, live. This isn't a speculation. This is not just a promise. This is the reality of Pi Network entering its new era, the open mainnet era. Over 102 million Pi tokens were withdrawn from OKX in 3 days, signaling. Let me stop this alarm here on my phone. Okay, let me start. Over 102 million Pi tokens were withdrawn from OKX in 3 days, signaling a significant shift in Pi networks on-chain activity. Crypto analyst Mr. Spock remarked, while doubters watched from the sidelines, true pioneers kept mining, building and believing, and now the results are beginning to show. However, this optimism is being tempered by emerging reports of internal token transfers, including those allegedly linked to Pico team-controlled wallets, according to blockchain investigator Dr. Altcoin. One wallet alone sold 1.4 million Pi tokens on Gate.io after transferring the funds from a previously dormant address. He also flagged several other suspicious transfers involving millions of tokens. Yes, Dr. Altcoin. Pi network price faces resistance as technical turn bearish. The Pi network price has been facing growing resistance in 99 cents, resistance in 9 cents range, with analysts identifying this level as a critical threshold for bullish continuation. Technical indicators such as relative strength index (RSI) are hovering in neutral territory, suggesting indecision in the market, without knowing whether it go up or down. Pi network coin must exceed 82 cents to 85 cents resistance zone to invalidate the current bearish momentum. That is said by Eagle's Eye Forex in TradingView. Pi, the Pi coin value is forming a bearish flag, reported crypto news in recent updates, with the risk of drop toward 66 cents if selling pressure identifies. If that support breaks, traders fear a slide toward every low of 0.5. Insider sales, token unlocked as concern. Adding to the market's uncertainty is the steady increase in token supply. Over 1.47 Pi tokens are set to unlock over the next 12 months, with 110 million tokens entering circulation in May alone. These releases well part of the planned distribution are raising alarms about their potential impact on Bitcoin market stability. Dr. Altcoin said, "Pioneers, if you are still in doubt, here is more evidence. Check those two wallets. Wallet 1, created 4 years ago by Pi Foundation, or with a balance of 2 million Pi, is one of the 22,000 wallets created by Pico team. They have created 22,000 wallets. That's a huge number. Wallet address 2, created 20 days ago by Pi Foundation 2 with an initial balance of just 1 Pi. Over the past 20 days, approximately 1.4 million Pi was transferred in phases from the first wallet to the second, and later sold on Gate.io. Currently, Wallet 1 holds around 584,000 Pi. Wallet 2 holds just 327 Pi. 1.4 million Pi moved from old Foundation wallet to a new one, then sold on Gate.io, fueling insider concerns, said by Dr. Altcoin via X post. Please subscribe to the channel, my friends. Subscribe before we continue. Let's support each other. Reports suggest some of these newly unlocked tokens may be entering exchanges via wallet addresses alleged controlled by Pi Foundation. Dr. Altcoin estimates that these wallets hold more than 90 billion tokens, further intensifying concerns about centralized control over Pi cryptocurrency value. It's not about food, said Dr. Altcoin on X. It's about accountability, transparency, and fair participation in networks that are claimed to be for the people. Community calls for clarity as trust weavers. The Pi network community, once unified around the promise of an inclusive digital currency, now finds itself divided. Frustrations have mounted due to delays in mainnet Pi migration, limited Pi wallet functionality, and ongoing KYC verification issues, especially in markets like China. Meanwhile, the project's failure to secure listing on major platforms like Binance has a limited liquidity, keeping Pi crypto value subdued even as user adoption reportedly grows. The Pi network recently launched a 100 million venture fund aimed at supporting DApp development, yet the lack of existing utility on the network leaves many unconvinced. There are no substantial DeFi projects or DApp built on Pi crypto yet, noted a recent market commentary. Without real use cases, the Pi token price will struggle to sustain any meaningful upside. Can Pi network reclaim momentum? Question asked by everyone. For now, the Pi coin worthy remains closely tied to investor sentiment and the project's ability to address transparency concerns. The next few weeks will be critical. If Pi network core team fails to provide clarity on token movements and subsequent wallet activity, it risks losing trust as a pivotal stage of its development. Yes, the Pi network coin was trading at around this in the last 24 hours at press time. Now, still hope persists among long-term supporters. We are entering a new phase, said one member. This no longer testnet experience. Pi coin is stepping into real world. Whether this step forward turn into leap or stumble will depend largely on how the network navigates its main challenges, listing hurdles, and internal governance issues. Until then, Pi cryptocurrency value remains caught between promise and pressure. Thank you for watching. That was a post that could give us some insight as we make decisions on investing on Pi network. So let's continue mining, my friends, because Pi one time will take us to some good prices, and everyone will be happy about it. So please, if you have not joined the Pi network, you are welcome to use my invitation link. You use my code, and you will get one Pi free, among other bonuses that may accrue in future. So I beg to stop there, and we meet on the next video. Thank you. Subscribe please, like the video, and comment any question you have. Bye bye.